Hello, I am Bob Kirkwood with Integration Guard, here to show you a better way to update an imported solid in NX. You'll see the update keeps all associativity intact, in other words, sustained integration. You're likely familiar with the benefits of associativity to automatically update your assemblies, CAM, and simulation. That integration can now be reliably extended to updates from any CAD source. We're going to update via step. The same approach works for IGES and other neutral formats importing a dumb solid. I'm going to show the integration 2 times, first quickly, then in full detail. For our quick pass, we start in the NX assembly. The pipe routing makes the associativity obvious. So from Menu, DCV, Replace, we open a dialog box and double-click on Part 456-ABQ, and there we have the Replace. Let's examine the associativity. We can see that the sketches, planes, and pipe routing update as they should. We can also examine Part 456 to see that it is a simple B-rep, a dumb solid. Let's go back and look more closely at the Replace dialog. The file we selected is a DCV file. DCV is the acronym for Design Change Vector. In this detail pass, we'll explore how one creates a DCV file and how it repairs associativity. This case presumes you receive an update to Part 456 as a new step file. Open the step file, optimize the geometry, and export it as an XT file. There is no reason to save it as an NX file, so we close the part without saving. We optimize the geometry because complete cylinder holes work better for this purpose than split cylinder holes. Now we go back to Part 456A and call a special export function provided by DCV. This calls the NX export for XT, but first it calls some special processing to make sure the necessary hooks are in place. If DCV is an established part of your CAD integration, this step is not necessary. Now we launch DCV to help us understand and capture the difference between the versions of Part 456. For many changes to a solid model, DCV recognizes changes automatically. This particular case exercises the challenge of a rotated hole pattern. DCV has no way to know if the designer's intended rotation was -30 degrees or +60 degrees or some greater angle. So we give DCV some help by matching just one pair of holes. After that help, the remaining matches are automatic. Another video describes automated matching in greater detail. Notice that part of the save process transfers names from the previous version of Part 456 to the new version. These matching names serve as hooks used by DCV to repair the associativity. Now we repeat the same replace you saw earlier, except this time there is no mystery what's happening. Notice that this integration works on the spot. You don't have to think about integration until you need it. That's right, no multi-year enterprise investment plan required. You can use these DCV techniques to assure sustained integration with your customers and suppliers when they use other CAD formats. You can also recover many cases of broken integration. This same technique works for a variety of other downstream applications, like NC programming, FE meshing, and tool design, including molds, dies, and fixtures. Thank you for watching this video describing DCV and sustained integration for NX assemblies across CAD platforms. To learn more, please email info@integration-guard.com.